Okay, welcome student. Now a part of this video we will discuss now how to use the contents in different pattern, just like open my computer and open any drive. See, these icons are available. These icons you can use within different format, that is big size, small size, or whatever, extra large, like that. Normally this is list. If you want to use, go to this point and click over this detail is there. You may use extra large. You can see how large icon is displaying over the screen. Again you go use a large icon. Okay, then you go and again use a medium icons. Then again you go use a small icon. Again you go and you can apply list icon. So like this you can get all the different pattern to use. So this is the actual one I have selected, that is called detail. Then you may use tiles also. Okay, vertically on the screen, content and a content base also. So there are different pattern you can use to view the file folders in Windows operating system. Next option is to create. How to create file folders. For example, we are going to open F drive. In F drive, I want to create one folder with class 9. Select the new option from there, or go to the blank area, right click and select the new option, and then select the folder option. Both are same. See, there are 3-4 methods. One method, right click in a blank area, use a new option. Second is already in the window, there is a new option, is new folder option is there. Next, you may go to the file option. Okay, and select the new file menu and select the new option, then select this. There are same pattern. Default folder name will be new folder. You can give class 9. Okay, you may give here class 9 folder like this, and when you click over this folder is generated. Now you want to save file in this, then you can go to the particular application what you like. Just like I want to use Word or Paint. Okay, Paint you can open, and may you have to open the recent document, just like open, just may I have one picture in this picture I want to show here. Take big screen, see like this. Now this picture format in a Paint you want to save in class 9 folder. Go to the save option, then select save as, then select the drive, F drive, and we have already created class 9 folder. Select that and give the name of file and click OK. So this file will be saved in that. Now again you can go to the window to see this one. Okay, for example, this name is written in number format. We don't want that. We want to change this name. Then we can use a rename option. Right click over there and select the rename option, and we can give the name my pick. Okay, I have given that name my pick. Again to do the same, right click, rename. Now you can give the my pick name. What happened? Keyboard is not responding properly, na? Okay, now this picture saved with the name. Okay, creating also, renaming, changing also. Now we will show you how to use cut and copy. If you want to remove this folder, this file, then select and use cut. If you don't want to remove, you want to make a duplicate value, then you use copy. See, when you right click over this after selection, see, cut and copy will be two options available. Or you can go through the edit menu here, then also cut and copy, two options are there. Or you can use Control C, Control X, okay, and after that you see, so far we have not selected any cut copy, so paste is not as an active option. Now if you use cut and copy, then this also display as an active option, just like I have used copy. Now again go to this, paste is active also. Now this one paste I want to keep in the same drive, no, different drive, in the drive E, new folder, and name you want to give here 00. In 00 folder class, same content we have to paste. Is it? So like this also we can this continue. Now you want to use, after cut copy, next option is searching, finding mypic folder, mypic file of JPG format we have used. Now we want to search where is this. Okay, now go to the search option. Okay, here search option, and select the mypic space pic. Okay, I don't know the format JPG, then what to do? Use wildcard character, shift and use a special character asterisk, then okay, then we'll get the location. This location is already, the name came, this option is display over the screen. If you want to use another pattern, just like you want to search class 9 folder where is, then you can go, and may you remember 9, but you not remember we have written class or not, then what to do? Star dot, first you give the star space 9, okay, dot star. Clear? Now this way you can search. In this no folder is there because E drive no folder, then you can go to the my computer. In my computer you can search the same. Okay, so now with the word letter 9 is available, many files are there. Okay, you can go through, or you want to open a folder, then according to folder content also we can show. Just you can go to the E drive, no, F drive. In F drive, I remember another example I am giving. I remember that starting character that was C, but after that I don't know what was the name. Okay, then use star dot star. It means in this location they have to search like this. See, now class 9 is there, one folder, we can use this content, this picture we have saved. So such manner we can apply these commands. Clear everyone? Student, go through with this exercise, complete the questions, and if you have any query you may ask. Okay, today's this much.